This is Custom from China. Here's InfoComm 2024. With the company name is Excelsior Hardware Plastic Company Limited from China, Shenzhen City. So we are the OEM sheet metal fabrication, and we produce products used for 5G base station, new LTD, amplifier server chassis. So we have the technologies like laser cutting, CNC bending, CNC machining, CNC punching, and metal stamping. And we design all the products by ourselves, and we design the tooling, we manufacture tooling, and in the design phases, the customer we support the customer with the engineering support, and also we got big name customer like Cisco, Honeywell, Astron. Uh, so we have been this business for almost 18 years. So we are professional in sheet metal manufacturing, and this is the product. This is the products we produce for the screen controller. Is 4K display controller, and also this is the 4K controller display is using in the screen, and also we do the console for the interface panel. Okay. So for more information, please visit www.excelsior-word.com. Thanks.